Welcome back to the channel. I'm about to give you another Easter egg video, not a long video. Going to talk a little bit black car when it was back in its glory days of having stock cam, stock block, and going fast. Enjoy the pass, enjoy the run. We'll talk to you afterwards. Let's get into it.
(10:36, 1:33).
So I hope you enjoyed it. I didn't think it would be very long. It's just one pass. I actually show a couple of the time slips that we ran, but this car is full weight, guys. Still got back seat and everything, full interior. You know, I actually have a really long playlist of like the transition of this car and how fast it's gone over the years in my cards, if you want to check it out, and it's also in the end screen. So you know, that pass specifically was a bone stock. It was its original motor, 140,000 miles, tuned right. The only thing we took off was this Saline wing, and I mean, we went 1036 at 134. I ended up going like a 10-teen at 137 with this car with a bone stock motor with GT40 stuff at another track later on. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'm kind of excited to give you guys news that I'll be getting my fingers on the 410 Windsor this week, which I probably already have it by the time this video releases, and we can start getting serious back on the black car again, and then maybe start focusing on a specific coupe build I spoke about. Anyways, as always, thanks for everything. Make sure you hit that sub and like if you like my content. See you soon.